episode of Unscripted. My name is Mathawe Matsapola. You know, many artists have got stage names. This lady that is our guest today goes with her real name. No stage name. Call her Nokwazi Dlamini. Welcome, Nokwazi.
Thank you, honey. Good job.
Nokwazi has been around. And I mean it when I say she's been around. She's been a backup artist for, you can name them.
All the legends.
All the legends.
Say it, child.
We've got Rebecca Malope, the late Brenda Fassie, that's all the legends, guys.
Yes.
And she's been featured on many house songs, the popular songs that we know in Delendlela. And it has been a long journey for her to be here. Talking about patience, I mean, in the genre that you're in, the house genre has always been seen, or maybe it's narrow-minded, but we always see it as the male-dominated genre. And do you think we're slowly going where females are going to take over the house genre?
We are taking over, definitely. We're getting there. I mean, even me, I'm planning to be a female producer, for crying out loud. I mean, I've done so many songs, you know, so many beautiful songs, and why not? Why does it have to be male-dominated? We're getting there. I think we're on the right track.
Your album is coming out soon?
Yeah!
Did you produce the album? Talking about producing?
No, because I was very scared. I was very scared because I felt like people will judge the features, the work that I've done for other people, and they will compare to. So I had to find completely different people to produce the album, so they will be able to tell me what to do. Because normally when I do the features, I don't, not because I'm too clever or I'm arrogant, but I don't like being told what to do, because I always feel inside, you know, not a feeling there. So with the album, it's totally different, because when I two are just looking at me and saying, no, flat, I see tiny, again, another verse, another chorus, another harmony. So I'm very excited, because I mean, so very excited. End of September, my album is coming out.
Did you write the songs?
I did, all of them.
All of the songs. How important is it for an artist to actually own their work, like write your own songs, get them registered? How important is it?
Kunabantu abaphiwe ukubhala ingoma. Kunabantu abafisayo ukubhala ingoma kodwa abakwazi. Kusho ukuthi kuzomela ukuthi be careful mase ama artist and allow other people to write songs for you if it pushes to that. But now if you are wazi just every time kumele bakumonitor, because I feel like wonke umuntu vele asimaje hayi mina ngizobhala ingoma, and writing a song is not a cheesecake that you can get a store, you know what I mean? So writing a song, it takes a lot of energy, and you need to be in a good space. Even if you're writing about a sad song, but the energy, it has to be a positive energy. So writing songs, guys, be careful, just play nice.
What are some of the challenges that you've come across through your journey from being a backing vocalist?
A lot of them. Because if you're a backing vocalist like me, backing like totally different artists, it's different characters. So today umuntu uza ne-energy yakhe ongayazi noma endlini abamoshelanga izitsha, omunye namhlanje ufika ne-energy yakhe enice, omunye ufika ne-energy yakhe ukuthi akazobhadala nje imali oyideservayo. So sibuyela kuphi kwi-patience iyona engigcinile ngaze ngabala. But some challenges I can't really talk about them because I'm writing a book. I'm currently writing a book.
Let's talk about the
Yes, child, yes.
Let's talk about the book. So you're writing a book about the challenges in the music industry.
The journey itself. The journey itself. It should be out next year because I'm taking my time. I don't like rushing things. I don't rush things. I hate doing that.
What will be the purpose of the book, your journey? Would you want the book to change somebody else's life?
Yes, definitely. Definitely, because I have a teenager. My son is 18, so he needs to read that book. His friends, they need to read that book, because you can't just come into the industry and think everything is ice cream and chocolate sauce. No, child, no. So that book it's just something special, because I feel like, I mean, I have 2 kids. My son is 18, he's going to be experiencing so many things, and he's very musical, he's brilliant, he's amazing. So I want him to know that this is my mama. My mama went through this, and this I won't do because my mom didn't do this. My mother warned me about this. So it's very special, it's close to my heart. So that's why I'm taking my time. But next year, definitely Easter, it's going to be out.
It's Ropani Easter.
Yes, child.
Alright. There's something that the audience, your fans, the viewers don't know about you. Nokwazi has got some element of comedy going. And I think there is something there. What's going on? Are you a stand-up comedian?
No, I think I must consider that.
Alright.
I think so.
On a lighter note, tell me, if you were a president for a week, South African president for a week, what would you change?
Yo!
And why?
Yes, child, I'm ready.
Nokwazi for president.
Ibedlela, child. Ibedlela. Hospitals.
Why
and
hospitals?
The service.
Okay.
Because the service is horrible.
Have you experienced
Yes,
I have. What was happening? What
that time I was pregnant, and I won't mention the hospital, but I was treated so bad. Every time I go there, I would cry. I was like, it's bad, child, it's bad. So the first thing I would do is to change completely the service and the environment.
Is that the only thing you would like to change?
Only thing. Because e-health is important. If I speak, so so in the ballet, Tina Spila Sibe right, Sipatwe Ashe, it was a squad like most Puma upon Spataran Avandu.
That was Nokwazi, guys, and what has kept her going through all these years has been patient. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.